And welcome everybody to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. Today we have a cat nest basket. This is for my baby Binky Boo. That's her name. And this is using Bernat Fab yarn, just like you see. You need 5 balls in order to do this for an adult cat. Now in the video that's going to pop up at the end of today's video, it's going to be for nesting baskets. You're going to use the large size instruction for that. But you are going to switch your hook to a 10mm size NP crochet hook using the 5 balls of Bernat Fab, and this works out to be a beautiful day like that. So once you get to the maximum diameter, you are going to just continue to crochet up until you run out of yarn, and then you'll do a nice ending just like you see. So it is a continuous round. There is no slip stitching, and I can plop this on the couch and let my baby Binky Boo enjoy. So the video is now on screen. You can click that. If you're left-handed, just use the video description to find the left-handed video for that. And that's it for today. So please enjoy your new basket using the same instruction, but just with this different size hook